2011 iMac. So today I will be upgrading the RAM. I have a RAM kit from Crucial.com. First off, you need to check out this panel here. You need to hold it up somehow and unscrew these little screws here. Okay, once you have unscrewed this panel right here, you take your RAM, and let's pull this little slip out. So you take your RAM, pop it out, check the orientation of the RAM in here, so it looks like that's it, and it just slides right in. You have to apply a little bit of force, and it pops in. So awesome. That's that part. And now your next bit of RAM. Check the orientation there. Of course it's going to be the same. And push this in. And you have to push a little bit. And then it goes in. So now it's nice and in there. And with this procedure, you can buy an iMac with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and then you can upgrade it for less than the cost of 8 gigabytes from Apple. So now all you have to do is screw this panel back on, and you're good to go. Now go to About This Mac, go to More Info, then go down to Memory, and they all should be working. So right here, check out all your memory. They should all say OK. Now you have a total of whatever was already in the iMac plus your new upgrade. So for me, that's 12 gigabytes of RAM. Really nice. And there you have it. You can see it right there. 12 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, you guys can't see it, but yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.